In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facetime Shareplay not working in iOS 16 or later. If you've been having trouble with Shareplay, you're not alone. Many users encounter issues, but don't worry because we're going to go through some straightforward steps to get it up and running smoothly. To begin with, it's essential to ensure that both devices involved in your FaceTime call have a strong internet connection, whether it's through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Poor connectivity can often be the culprit behind SharePlay not starting or functioning correctly. So, if you're experiencing any hiccups, checking your internet connection is a great first step. The next thing to consider is whether your devices are running the latest iOS version. You'll want both devices updated to iOS 16 or later. To do this, navigate to Settings, then find General, and tap on Software Update. Keeping your iOS updated ensures that you have the latest features and fixes, including those that improve SharePlay functionality. Moving on, let's make sure that SharePlay is enabled on both devices. Head over to Settings, then to Apps, and find FaceTime. Check that the toggle for SharePlay is switched on. This option needs to be active for SharePlay to work during your FaceTime calls. Sometimes a simple restart of both devices can resolve a myriad of issues, including those affecting SharePlay. So it's worth giving that a try. Turn off both devices completely. Once they're powered down, switch them back on and attempt using SharePlay again to see if that resolves the problem. Another quick tip involves checking the low power mode on each device. This mode is designed to conserve battery but can interfere with certain functionalities, including SharePlay. You can address this by going to Settings, then Battery, and ensuring low power mode is disabled. Additionally, it's crucial to review your screen time settings. Navigate to Settings, then Screen Time, followed by Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, confirm that both FaceTime and SharePlay are not being restricted by any limitations you may have set. If either is restricted, it could hinder the capability of using SharePlay effectively. Adjust these settings to ensure everything is functioning as it should. By following these steps, you should be on your way to resolving any issues with FaceTime SharePlay. It's all about ensuring that both your devices are properly configured and have the necessary conditions to support this feature. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get back to enjoying seamless SharePlay sessions with friends and family. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consider contacting Apple support for further assistance. Happy sharing and see you in the next tutorial.